What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? To watch a tutorial video I mean. And in today's video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can buy automata in Binance. Now for those people who do not know Binance, let me make it clear to you guys what Binance is so you guys would find it easy how you guys can buy automata in Binance. Now Binance is the world's top crypto exchange where you guys can buy and sell crypto. And since it's the world's top crypto exchange, a lot of people use it. And since a lot of people use it, it's pretty secure as well. So by listening to this, if you guys have decided to open an account in Binance, then I will leave a link in the description for you guys, which you guys can use to get up to $10 bonus for signing up into Binance. Now with that said, let's get into the video on how you guys can buy automata in Binance. And yeah, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel app tutorial with notification on to get notified for future videos. And if you guys have any question, feel free to ask us in the comment. Now let's move on with the video. So the first step is you want to go to Binance.com and log in into your account. Then you want to go on versus trade and you want to go on versus classic over here. I like to go on classic. If you find advanced easy, it's your option. Now once you're in this page, over here where it says search, you want to search for ATA. Now automata is also known as ATA, alright? There's going to be shown multiple ATA. So click on whichever thing you want to use when you're buying ATA. So I like to use USDT, so I'm going to click on ATA/USDT. Now remember, only click on ATA, alright? DATA is not automata. ATA is only automata, alright? After you click on it, scroll a bit down and go on versus market. Now market means you're going to buy automata in its current market price. If you know how to use limit and stop limit, it's your choice. I wouldn't, suggest you to go to other place if you guys are new to this whole crypto stuff. If you're new, just go to market. And over here, enter the amount of ATA you want to buy and click on buy ATA and your automata will be bought. That's how simple it is to buy automata on Binance. So yeah, hope you guys were able to understand. If you guys did, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel app tutorial for future videos just like this. And if you guys want to sign up into Binance, you guys can use our referral link in the description. And if you guys have any question, drop it down in the comment. Bye bye everybody.